My first technology is Classcraft. This is a online learning game that I use as a classroom management tool. The two standards that I chose were students use technology to seek feedback that informs and improves their practice and demonstrates their learning, and also students build networks to customize their learning environment in ways that support the learning process. So now I'm going to show you my Classcraft website. It's really easy to set up. It connects with Google Classroom, so I didn't have to import any of the students' names. I just created my account and then imported it imported their information for me. The first thing that you do is the students pick teams. I let my students pick teams. They were working with 3 other students, and they got to come up with their name. They got to pick their backgrounds, and then they also got to pick a crest. So once we did that, we started talking about behaviors. So here are all of the positive behaviors, the things students can earn points for. Here are the negative behaviors, things they can lose points for. And then these are gold pieces. It's another positive behavior, but it's they can then use these points to use their powers. And then they got to pick their character, and whatever their character is determines what they can use their points for. So it's things like extra minutes of recess or a hint on a question. They can switch places with somebody for a day. They can eat a snack in class. A whole bunch of different things. And the thing I really like about it is you can edit anything that you want. So you can completely customize it to work out 100% for your classroom. And then these are a list of consequences when students lose all of their points. Again, you can edit it. These are the kinds of the things that we came up with as a class. My kids really seem to like it. And it's really easy to add points and give the kids points. I use it on my iPad, and I just have the kids' names up there, and I click a kid, and I can hit the positive button and give them points right away, or I can take points away right away. My kids have also, they really like earning these gold points, and so they will do extra things around the classroom in order to get them. So I gave them 100 points for helping in the classroom. It's really fun. We went ahead and did the free premium trial because it gives you more options, and you get it for 30 days, but my kids have really liked it so far, and they're really having a lot of fun with it. So I suggest you try it.